Beautiful Pashto names for boys part 2. Ziarmal. Ziarmal means diligent. Wadan. Da means prosperous. Hewat. It means homeland or watan. Sial. Sial means competitor, equal or rival. Wakman. Da means powerful man. Patman. It means the man of dignity. Samun. It means creator or fixer. Samsor. Samsor means prosperous or green. Emal. Emal means friend. Zargun. It means green. Mirwais. Mirwais means commander. Maywand. Da means brave or fearless. Akhtar. Akhtar means joy or Eid. Tsatske. Tsatske means drop. Zamarai. Zamarai means lion. Rihan. Rihan means bezel. Kamran. Da means successful or fortunate. Seidal. Seidal means noble. Patsun. Patsun means uprising or self-defense. Bakhtawar. Bakhtawar means lucky.